Hi, and welcome to Beyond the Book. Let's do some experiments. Some kitchen chemistry and bathtub experiments at home, and I want to share with you. I made a balloon pop with no hands, made silly goop, and I also tried this water cannon experiment, but couldn't get past step number 5. Maybe you can help me? I can show you and tell you all about it. I chose 3 experiments from 2 different books. Kitchen Chemistry by Cynthia Light Brown, and Bathtub Science by Shar Levine and Leslie Johnstone. I gathered the materials and set out to be a scientist. All you have to do to be a scientist is look at things, observe them, be curious, and not be afraid to try. Let's check out Pop a Balloon with No Hands. All I needed was a balloon, some water, and an orange. I blew up the balloon and tied it. I put some water on it. Anything happen? No. Well, the balloon got wet. What's that? But it's still inflated? Yeah, it didn't pop. Then I peeled an orange. It smelled so good. I really wanted to eat it right then and there, but I held back. Did you know that when you smell an orange, you're breathing in limonene molecules? What are limonene molecules? What are limonene molecules? Now say that fast 10 times. It's an oil extracted from the peels of oranges and other citrus fruit. I put some orange juice on the balloon and rubbed it with the peel. Pop! Let's see that again, but in slow motion. Let's see it again in slow motion. What happened? The juice from the orange peel dissolved the balloon just enough for the air pressure in the balloon to make the balloon pop. And you can learn more on page 19 of Kitchen Chemistry. Now I challenge you to use other foods from your kitchen, like lemon or lime peels, vinegar, cooking oil, or dish soap. Write to me and tell me what happened. Send pictures too. The next thing I did was make silly goop. I got all the ingredients together and followed the instructions.
Be careful and make sure you read all of the instructions carefully. And if you can't read or you're not sure, then ask your adults. What happened was I didn't read all of the instructions so well, and I actually started using the wrong measurements. And what you don't see is that I had to clean everything out, and I had to do it again. So, little tip there.
To make silly goop, add 4 tablespoons of white glue to a container. Then add 4 tablespoons of warm water, a few drops of food coloring, 1 tablespoon of borax, and a tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix all the ingredients well. In another container, mix 2/3 cups of warm water and 2 teaspoons of borax. Dissolve the borax and pour 2 tablespoons of the mixture into the glue mixture until it's stiff. After the mixture has set for a minute, Take it out and rinse with water. Blot with a paper towel and knead the mixture until it's smooth or it's how you want it. And now you have silly goop. Now I want you to do this, but change the amount of ingredients. Kind of like what I did before, but we're just switching it. Then write to me and tell me what happened. And lastly, I attempted to make a water cannon. It sounded really cool. Look, this was my first time, and honestly, I had no idea what I was doing. If you try this or any of the experiments, you must have an adult with you. I am actually an adult, so I did this on my own. I probably needed a kid like you to show me how though. I started off trying to burn a hole in the side of the bottle. Fail. That's okay. I used a knife, a fondue thingy, and scissors. Done. I put the balloon on exactly how the instructions told me. Well, almost. I did use a chopstick. I put a small piece of duct tape over the hole and tried to blow up the balloon. Nope, it didn't blow up. That's a good thing. Next step. Peel back the tape and blow up the balloon. Quickly put the tape back over the hole. Did the balloon stay inflated? What do you think? Well, it did not. I thought and thought, more tape? Does the balloon have a hole in it? I was supposed to fill up the inflated balloon with water and then aim it away from me in the yard or the bathtub, and then peel back the tape and watch the water shoot out. But my balloon did not stay inflated. It should have, because when the hole was covered up, there was too much air inside the bottle. But when the hole was uncovered, the air in the bottle could leave through the hole. Then after covering the hole, the balloon should have stayed inflated because the air inside the balloon kept it inflated, and the bottle kept the air from outside pressing it in. Can you try this at home and tell me what I did wrong? Thanks for hanging with me today.